Okay, so here is the best way on how you can post a video on Steam. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy posting a video on Steam. What you need to do is just simply open up Steam like this and you have to log in into your account. Now what you need to do is just simply press on your name tag, which has your name tag, and you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of profiles. Go ahead and press on that. And once you press on profile, you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and scroll down until you see the option of videos. Go ahead and press on that. So Steam directly doesn't allow you to upload videos. So what you can do is just simply press on link to YouTube account and then press manage video. So just simply press on link YouTube account. And right here, you just gotta access your YouTube. So just like this, you just gotta put in your email address simply. You just gotta give them your email, like the one that you're currently using your YouTube for. So once you do that, you can just come back to your profile and inside the video section, once you've logged in, you'll see the option of manage videos. Now right over here, you'll be able to select the videos that you have uploaded into your profile. You just gotta select that video and then you just gotta press on make public. So I haven't selected the video, of course, that I don't have the video right now, but if once you have the video, you could just directly post it and it will be posted onto your Steam. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.